The main attraction is a Thanksgiving table. We're going to give you 3 tips that are sure to wow family and friends. The first tip is to think about color. What colors do you want to show off on your table? Today we've brought in this classic Thanksgiving color, this burnt orange, and we've done it here in our centerpiece. We've repeated it on our soup tureens and in our goblets as well. The second tip is to layer. We've layered in several ways on this table. We've done a really great runner down the center, and then we've added in some placemats for a bit of color. We've also layered in our table setting with our plates. So we've added this really great texture for the charger. We've layered up a napkin underneath that. And then we've also done some plates and a soup tureen to bring in that color again that we're trying to show off at our table. The third tip is with our centerpiece. We're not afraid to go big at this table, so we've brought in a great glass element in the center to really repeat that color again, and add a little whimsy on the top through some different sprays of leaves or anything that you like to put in there. We've done a little metal accent as well, and then, of course, the turkeys. If you're anything like my family, Thanksgiving is all about bringing people together, and nothing could be complete without a proper kids table. So today we've done a really fun kids table. We've covered it with craft paper, and we put some little things like I am thankful for. We've scrolled their names on the side, and we've put a little place so they know exactly where to set their plate at the table. We brought in some simple decor in the center with some pumpkins and leaves, all to give it that fall touch. For our centerpiece for the kids' Thanksgiving table, we've added a little something special on their plates that they're going to get involved with as well. Okay, we've done these little turkeys that you can do at home, just these little mini pumpkins, and then we've added a leaf and some feathers. And then we're going to put a little bit of glue on here for the gobbler, the beak. Nothing's complete without some googly eyes. And then we're going to set them on their plates so they have a little touch that they've added to the table. If you liked this video and it's been helpful for you and your family, give us a like down below and subscribe to our channel.